This is the first skill cue for standard number 4, interpersonal communication. For this first skill cue, we are talking about general communication, and our action word is talk. T, think before speaking. A, actively listen. L, listen to learn. And K, keep it kind and respectful. Let's take a moment to look at each element of this skill cue so that you can communicate more effectively in your life. So for T, we want to think before speaking. This simply means that we take a moment to consider what's going on? What am I feeling? How is this going to sound? How is this going to impact the other person? Is what I'm saying accurate? Taking a moment just to really consider what we're saying so we can be intentional with our conversation. A, actively listen. This means that we aren't just talking to hear ourselves, that we're actually listening and hearing what the other person is saying. And not just what they're saying verbally, but also what they're saying with their tone and their body language. So to actively listen, we want to put our phones away. We want to give them our full attention, turn our bodies towards them. We want to make eye contact. We want to ask follow-up questions and check in to make sure that we're hearing them correctly. We don't want to interrupt. We want to make sure that we're just there absorbing what they're saying and really hearing them. L is listen to learn. So building off of active listening, we also want to make sure that we are intentionally working to learn from the conversation, that we're hearing what they're saying, we're building empathy, we're building new understanding, we're seeing things from a different point of view. And then K, keep it kind and respectful. We want to be really intentional when we're communicating, making sure that we're communicating in a kind way, that we are saying things nicely, we're using a nice tone, we aren't cutting people off, we aren't interrupting them, and that we're being respectful. And those are the elements of our talk skill cues. Be sure to put these into action so that you can effectively communicate with others.